It's only 10 in the morning and my cat's already running around crazy. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Since I have a new machine and never done this to my previous machine before, I have decided to make a sewing machine cover. I never thought of making one until my mom suggested it when I bought my new sewing machine. So I'm just gonna simply show you how to make a machine cover. You don't have to do my exact measurements, but you pretty much want to get the length of the machine and the height of the machine, and you'll need to look for the width of the machine. There are probably like 3 or 4 ways you can sew all your pieces together, and it's whatever's easier to you. The way I did it was easy for me, where it could be done differently for you. Whichever way it works, you'll get the same results as me. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. So for the 2 pieces I have to cut, I need them to be 13 inches by 17, and then I have to cut 3 pieces each that are 7 inches in width and 17 inches in length. And all of them will be sewn together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I'm going to sew 3 small pieces together first, and then I'm going to add the 2 major pieces afterwards. I'm going to lay the corners of my larger pieces at the side seams, leaving maybe like 1/2 inch overlapping the side seams, and then we're going to sew on top of a 1/2 inch seam allowance. This part can be a little tricky, but once you get to the end of one side, you want to pause your machine, leaving the needle down, and then you're going to lift up the foot, pivot, so that your 2 ends of the piece will line together, and continue on giving the 1/2 inch seam allowance. And then do the same thing on the other side. Another way of doing this, you could just go from one short end of a piece and then go up and then pivot and then continue on, and then stop at the other corner and then pivot and then continue on finishing that other side, but this was easier for me. And then if you want, you can do a rolled hem, or you can overlock your edges and then fold over once for this. I didn't feel like hooking up my overlock machine, so I just did a double fold, and that would be up to 1/2 inch. And then turn it inside out. Make sure that you poke out your corners. And to see how it looks after it's finished, put it on your sewing machine. Not bad for my first try. It was simple and easy. And that is it, guys, on how I made this simple sewing machine cover. If you happen to make one after seeing this video, send me a picture through the links down below in my description box. And if you guys like this little tutorial on how I made my sewing machine cover, please give this video a nice like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more further content I will be doing for the rest of 2020 and into the new year as well. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video next week on Wednesday. Take care. Bye.